friends, so today we're going to play this fun art game, okay? And we're going to do this as a group together at your table, so we have to share some things. We have a spinner that we have to share. We have this monster parts chart, and then you have your piece of paper. So each of you are going to make your own monster. You don't have to share your paper. But what you do have to share is the spinner and the charts, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put our hand on the spinner, okay? You're going to flick it. Whoops. Let's try again. Flick. Okay. I'm going to flick it. I landed on a 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my first row. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to draw that the best I can. Now, does it have to be perfect? Oh no, I would hope it's not perfect, because if it's perfect, that's super boring, okay? So, then everybody at your table is going to get a turn to spin, okay? Then when it comes back to you, you're going to spin for your arms. So I'm going to barely hold it and flick. So I got a 5. No arms? Oh my goodness. So everybody at my table gets a turn to do arms. Now I'm going to do legs. And I got a 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2. So there's my legs. I'm going to put both my legs right over there. Okay? And actually, I don't want to do more than just 2 legs. I want to do 4 legs. No, I'm just going to do 3 legs. Just 3 legs, you think? 3 legs are good. All right. Everybody at my table gets a turn. Then I'm going to spin for my eyeballs. And I got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 eyeball. All right. Everybody at my table gets a turn. And then I'm going to flick for my mouth. Chomping. I got a 1 right here. Chomping. And then we're going to spin for everybody at our table gets to spin for their mouth. Then I'm going to spin for my hair. Chomping. That's not flicking very well. There we go. A 1. So I'm going to add horns. Alright guys, so now what you do after you have completed your, actually I'm going to add more legs. After you've completed your spin monster, and I'm going to color this mouth in because if not it just looks like a nose hole. Okay, so you see how I made a few adjustments? You can do the same thing. So what you do now is you can color where you want your monster to live. So I think mine kind of looks like a seal that lives on a glacier. What do you think? Like in the polar area? So I'm going to make mine on a glacier in the Arctic. And so I'm going to have some water around him. I'm going to have my glacier, my iceberg, right? There might be a shark in the water, maybe, down below. Okay, so you get to draw and decorate how you want your monster to look, okay? After you're done with that, you can flip it over and draw your own monster. The only thing I ask is that everything you create today, the entire paper has to be full of color with good craftsmanship. No scribble scrabble allowed, okay? All right. Well, and I might actually add some patterns to mine, so I might make mine look like he's hairy. Add some texture. Add some texture to your monsters. Alright. Alrighty then. Have fun and happy making.